Imagine a land teeming with life, a haven for biodiversity, and a spectacle of natural beauty. Welcome to the Amazon rainforest, the world's largest tropical wonderland. Spanning over 8 countries and covering over 2 million square miles, this emerald paradise houses an estimated 400 billion individual trees, representing 16,000 species. Dive into the heart of the jungle, where 1 in 10 known species on Earth resides. From the vibrant macaw to the elusive jaguar, the Amazon is a testament to the marvels of evolution. But it's not just about flora and fauna. The Amazon River, the lifeblood of the rainforest, is a force to be reckoned with. It's the second longest river in the world, and its volume of water exceeds the next 7 largest rivers combined. The Amazon rainforest, a 4K journey into the world's greatest natural theater, a place where every day is a new discovery, every moment a spectacle. Remember, this is not just a rainforest, it's a world within our world, a testament to the power and beauty of nature.